Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Latasha Valentine, and in this video I am going to be doing a makeup look. No, I haven't done makeup in such a long time, but I thought because we're in the month of October and it is my birthday month, I would like to do like a skit of birthday things that I've done to celebrate me. So yeah guys, I am back again doing some makeup. So yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Leave loads of comments, of course. And yeah, let's get into it guys. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to do my brows. So I'm just going to make it really quick and easy and simple as per usual. Nothing has changed. All those times I haven't done my makeup is the same. Very quick, very easy, very simple. Now guys, I've done my hair. So yesterday I took out my braids, washed my hair, deep condition, and today, or should I say this morning, I just braid it back in 4, moisturize the scalp as per usual. Of course, I can't forget about doing that. And I stuck my wig down. Now the wig, I apply some mousse to it, and the mousse that I use is hold on, let me see if I can find it. Here we go. So the mousse that I use is this one here. So it's the L'Oreal Paris Elvive Style Mousse Extreme Volume. So I'm hoping that when I'm finished and I'm ready to go, that it's going to be dry and give me a really full volume, because this wig naturally is wavy. If it's not dry in time, then I'll just use the air dry and dry it, and hopefully it does come out nice. So I'm really hoping that guys, it's going to be fun. You know, I'm going to take you along with me, everything that I'm going to be doing. Today is the 15th of October. My birthday is on the 19th. But I thought I'm going to start celebrating from now. So yeah, guys, just keep on watching. I'm going to speed this section up because my brow game has not changed. It's the same routine, filling them in, brush it out, and then clean it up to the best of how you like it. All right, I might put some music in the background as well. All right guys, I literally thought that I was recording, but I wasn't. Anyway, I came back on with my brows already done. They are definitely not the best. I have done better before, but I'm just gonna leave them because I can't be able to kind of wipe them up and start again. So they do look like caterpillars, but I think I'm just gonna leave them like that. Now what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna use my Airspun setting powder just to apply all over my face, just to get my makeup to set all night. I've got setting spray and stuff, but I don't want anything too wet all over my face right about now. So I'm going to go ahead and use the powder, which to be fair is not even the best thing for me because I have hay fever, very sensitive nose, and as soon as anything powdery, any kind of strong perfume smell or anything like that, I get irritated and I start sneezing. So, but I'm still going to use it. A little bit up here also. Can do that, and then I'm going to apply my foundation. Okay guys, so I'm going in with Morphe F440 foundation, and I'm just going to blend that in as seamless as possible. As you can see, I didn't use a lot. And I'm going to blend that all over. Alright guys, so I went off camera to blend all my foundation, which I did. It does look a little bit on the red side, but I'm hoping that it will oxidize. Obviously I know the weather has changed where it's now a little bit colder, so my shade has changed just a little bit. And then I've just applied the concealer underneath my eyes, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out. Okay, blend that out as smooth as possible. This is really nice. It's not too unfair, not too bright. just a little bit lighter, which is what I wanted. I know a lot of people always say, why don't you do it professionally? You're so good at doing makeup. You know, whenever I see your videos or whenever I see you in person, your makeup is always so nice. I don't know, maybe later on I'll think about doing something like that. I'm not sure. But I think even though my makeup does look nice, I still feel like I need a lot of practice. And I'll prefer to be confident enough to do something properly before I actually start doing it on someone else's face. Because I want to make sure that if I do it, I want to make sure that it's literally it's really nice. Like it's like yeah, no mistakes, nothing. But this is nice. I'm just gonna set that in place now. Keep my new sponges as well. Yeah, nice, brand new. Feels so good. Okay, so that's good, guys. I don't think I'm going to be doing any. I'm not going to do any contour or anything like that. I'm just going to use a nice blush. I think I did that the last time, and wow, the makeup was so good, and I didn't contour at all. All right, guys. Before I apply the blush, I actually came back to do some in a minute, sweet. Just gonna apply some powder to my whole entire face.
What is this?
This is powder, just to set everything in place. Set my foundation in place. Yeah. Mommy haven't done makeup.
Why you're putting this in there?
Just so I can apply it to my face, so I can set my foundation.
Why you're putting it in a glass? The glass.
Yeah, I know.
I can't see my face. I can see my face.
Yeah.
I can see my fingers.
Yes.
I can see my other finger.
Yes, you can.
What is it's like sand.
Is it? No, it's not like sand. It's a bit smoother than that.
And not like mover.
I mean, if it was sand, then I wouldn't put it on my face, would it?
You're putting a sand on your face.
No. Alright, so that's done. I'm just going to apply my blush now. Okay, guys, I said I'm going to use blush. It's actually not blush. So this is the Queen's palette for me with Julius that I purchased. Now I'm going to use one of the bright colors from here. I don't know, maybe the pink or the red. And that's what I'm going to be applying to my cheeks.
Red.
Should I do the red?
Yes.
Okay.
You look what's a tinky?
Do I?
You brown.
I'm brown.
You need the brown over the side. Brown.
I'm going to use that one.
Brown here.
In a minute.
Here. And next.
Okay.
Here. Brown. My brown. Mom. I need to get brown.
Okay.
Brown is after the middle with the pink one.
Okay.
I need to do the brown one first.
Okay.
And do the pink one later.
Okay.
And do the brown one first.
A little bit on my nose. So I wanted to use the pink one, but I've been told to use the red.
Look, red everywhere.
It's red everywhere. So I'm going for the red instead because I've been told to use red.
I can't put red on your nose.
Why not?
It's gonna get itchy on your nose.
Is it going to be itchy?
Yes.
Okay, I'll wipe it off.
No, don't wipe your cheek off. I need to wipe the on.
Okay.
You could wipe your heart.
Oh, do you want me to use the pink one? Okay. I'll use pink as well.
You can use pink because I love you so much.
No, I love you too. Yeah, I'll use pink as well. Very bright with the red. Is it okay?
Yes, but choose purple silk and buy green.
I'm to use purple silk.
Too many colors. But too many colors. Too many colors.
Yeah.
Look, brown again. See that color? What is it?
What is it?
Is it black?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, it's black. What the color?
You know what it is.
Red.
Mm-hmm.
Orange.
Yeah.
What?
Alright guys, so I basically went ahead and blend that black into the creases. No, not the creases. The creases, the corner of my eye. Yeah. So I went ahead to blend that in, and then I just went in with some highlighter in the tear duct there, so a little bit on my cheeks, just wherever I want to shine. I just apply that, and that's it, guys. The only thing that I'm going. So yeah, the only thing that I really need to do is to apply my lashes, and I'm pretty much done. I'm just gonna spray my face down, and especially just before I go out as well, I just spray it down just to make sure everything stays intact. And I'm not gonna do anything else, guys. That's about it. My lips, I don't know. I might just leave it with just lip gloss only. I was thinking of doing a red lip art because I do like red lips, but I think because I've got the blush going on, which is quite bright, and then obviously my eyes are a little bit dark, I don't know, I might just leave it with a lip gloss. But yeah, guys, this is the look for tonight, and I'm gonna show you my outfit. The hair is drying with the mousse. It's not giving the big curls that it's supposed to give, but you know what, it is what it is. I'm gonna look nice same way as usual. And yeah, guys, I'll show you some pictures and take you along with me and everything. So thank you so much for watching. Just wait to see the you know, complete finished look, and then yeah. It's the morning after last night, of course. I can't remember if I showed you a clip of my finished look with the makeup, but I'm gonna do that. So guys, I start off showing you my my heels. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, I did my nails. Well, I just stuck them on after. I haven't done my nails in like a whole good 10 years because I don't usually wear nails, but I'm not gonna really show you that much because two of them, as you can see, has popped off. Anyway, guys, at the end of the night last night, this is what happened as I was walking back to the car. Well, this one snapped off right here. Oh my god. And then, guys, look at this one. The whole thing came apart. The whole entire thing. Now, these heels, I'm not gonna lie, I've had them for a good minute, like years and years, because these was actually my graduation heels from high school. And I still like them. I really do. Even the platform is very, very comfortable to walk in, and I think I'm not ready to actually throw them away. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it to, I don't know, a shoemaker or whatever, get them to clean it up, and attach that back because I really like them, and it goes with a lot of outfit and stuff. But guys, last night was good. I didn't stay until late because you know me, by the time it hits 9:30, 10 o'clock, I am absolutely tired. But yeah, guys, those are the heels. Can't believe it.